importance of this worldly life and how important it is to be a successful person who has happiness in the dunya, that can only come with the discipline of Islam, with the discipline of the laws of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us, وَمِنَ النَّاسِ مَنْ يَقُولُ رَبَّنَا آتِنَا فِي الدُّنْيَا وَمَا لَهُ فِي الْآخِرَةِ مِنْ خَلَاقٍ. From amongst the people there are some who ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala saying, oh Allah, grant us in this dunya, but they don't have a portion of the akhirah, of the life after death. Grant us in this world. They only make dua for this world. Ya Allah, I need the job. Ya Allah, I need the health. Ya Allah, I need the wealth. Ya Allah, I need a spouse. Ya Allah, I need this, I need a car, I need a house, I need an increase, I need a salary, I need what? I need good health and so on. All these du'as are good, but what dua did you make for the life after death? You will get your promotion, you will get your wealth, you will have your car, you will have your health, you will have a spouse, you will have children. May Allah grant that to us. But did you ever think that one day you have to leave all of that? What this would mean is your expertise that Allah gave you, the ability to produce, mashallah, to be productive by the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you have utilized all of that to build an empire for yourself, to be able to be happy and smile and look at everything, and press a remote, your garage opens, press a remote, your car opens, press a remote, the car starts. Look at the kettle in the kitchen and it starts grrrr, subhanallah. Imagine, today you can look at something and it starts operating. I'm sure a lot of you have the phones where you look at it and it scrolls down. You look away and the video stops. You see how it's working. So